Hi, Body Booster presents 7 shocking effects of doing dead hangs for 60 days. Yes, in today's video I am going to share my secret. I did dead hangs for 60 days. Would you like to know about what happens when I did dead hangs daily for 60 days? Watch the video till end. Let's start discussing about dead hangs and what benefits they can give to you if you are a bodybuilder. Dead hangs are a form of exercise where you hang from a bar or other sturdy surface with your arms fully extended. They primarily target the muscles in your upper body, particularly your back, shoulders, and grip strength. If a bodybuilder were to do dead hangs for 60 days, it could potentially give these benefits. Grip strength. Dead hangs help improve grip strength, which is crucial for lifting heavier weights during various exercises like deadlifts, pull-ups, and rows. Shoulder health. Dead hangs can decompress the shoulder joints and promote better shoulder mobility. This can improve overall shoulder health. Core activation. While hanging, your core muscles are engaged to stabilize your body. This provides a low-intensity yet effective core workout. Scapular activation. Dead hangs can aid in activating and strengthening the muscles around your scapulae, leading to better posture and stability during exercises. Enhanced joint health. The gentle stretch and movement in the shoulder joints during dead hangs can help maintain joint health and function. Injury prevention. By engaging various muscle groups and promoting joint health, dead hangs can aid in injury prevention, especially for those engaged in physical activities. Improved back strength. Dead hangs engage the muscles of the upper back, which can contribute to better overall back strength and stability. Incorporating dead hangs into your routine, even for short durations, can provide these benefits over time. However, as with any exercise, it's important to start gradually and ensure proper form to prevent overuse or strain. Similarly, the frequency and duration of dead hangs can vary based on individual fitness levels and goals. Generally, starting with a few sets of 20 to 30 seconds, a bodybuilder could incorporate dead hangs into their routine 2 to 3 times a week. It's important to listen to your body and gradually increase intensity over time. Consulting a fitness professional can help you to approach your specific needs.